Hey everyone, welcome back to Dev Parkour. I'm Brian Parks, and in this video I want to talk about PHP MVC frameworks, and specifically the one I'm going to use for the Glassminnow project moving forward. So in my mind, I kind of have two options. Realistically, there are many more. There are at least 5 options that I can think of. But the two options that I'm really considering are Pales, my homegrown MVC framework that Glassminnow is currently built on, or Laravel, which is kind of the popular MVC framework in PHP land. There are other alternatives. There's things like CodeIgniter and Cake PHP and Yii. I think I'm pronouncing that correctly. But realistically, the front runner in the PHP community is Laravel. And I could definitely use Laravel. There's no question. Laravel is far more mature of a product than Pales is, mainly because Laravel has this vibrant community around it. It's been actively maintained for probably a decade now, whereas Pales, I built it 7 or 8 years ago. I've been maintaining it while I was using PHP every day, but that hasn't been for a while. It's been 4 or 5 years since I actually used PHP all day, every day. So Pales really hasn't gotten the attention that it really deserves and would really need to be as competitive as Laravel. However, there's more to it than just what is the best tool for building things on. If I were building Glassminnow from scratch, brand new, absolutely I'd go with Laravel. However, this channel and this series specifically is about taking a legacy application and making it cloud native. So I feel like if I were to switch everything over to Laravel, this would all of a sudden become a channel about how to switch your legacy PHP app to be a Laravel app, or how to tune Laravel to make your legacy PHP apps more performant or something like that. And that's not really where I want to go. This project just happens to be in PHP, but this is really intended to be a more generic process. This process should work whether you're using PHP or C# or even another language, even if you're not even doing a web application. So I don't want to switch over to Laravel. I do want to keep with Pales, because I also think there will be opportunities in doing that to improve on Pales and show some of the, maybe the shortcomings that it has and improve them, again, in the spirit of taking a legacy application and making it cloud native, forward-thinking, forward-looking, all that good stuff. That being said, Pales is an open source project. Contributions are welcome. You can find it at github.com/bparks/Pales. More than happy to take pull requests, bug reports, issues, feature requests, those sorts of things. I do have kind of a vision for where I want it to go that maybe could be articulated a little bit better. But if there is something that you have in mind that you want to contribute, go ahead and throw it up there and let's talk about it. And if it's not exactly what I had in mind, that's okay too. The beauty of open source projects is that they can be community driven. So if you have something that you want to add, let's see how it fits. Let's make it work. So yeah, go ahead and check that out, and be sure to subscribe to the channel so you can see what improvements I do make to Glassminnow and Pales and all of the other stuff that Glassminnow actually depends on. And be sure to like this video. Definitely Tux deserves a thumbs up. If that doesn't get a like for this video, I don't know what does. So go ahead and give this video a like, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, leave a comment down below if you have thoughts on PHP MVC frameworks. I'd love to hear them, love to learn more about them because, like I said, I've kind of been out of the game for a few years. So I'm sure there have been new improvements that are worth paying attention to. So leave a comment down below, leave a question down below. And if you're watching this on the Friday before Labor Day weekend, have a great weekend. I will be posting on Monday, but of course you don't have to watch it on Monday because it is YouTube. You can watch it whenever you want, and potentially multiple times if you'd like. In the meantime, I'm going to keep my cat from eating the things that are on my desk. Have a great day, and I will see you next week.